Solana is down a lot, and honestly, I do think we can still head a bit lower. However, I do have some very bullish news to share with you.
Folks, really good news.
What's up, guys? Omar here. So, Solana finally made some movement. And I warned you all about this. If you look at my last video from 2 weeks ago, is Solana about to collapse again? I was not joking. It was literally about to collapse, and it finally happened. Now, before I continue, guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I want to really hit 1,000 subscribers. I would be very grateful. Now, to continue, do I think Solana can get lower? Probably. It depends a little bit on Bitcoin, but I think Solana is one of those coins that can really have a little bit of a deeper pullback than the other ones, because it was, in my opinion, massively overvalued compared to the rest of the market, compared to Ethereum, compared to Bitcoin. Solana just pumped, and then the meme coins and whatnot, and it wasn't healthy, although price just kept on pumping continuously. But it needed a chill out, and it needed a retest to the downside, which is now finally happening. We had this reversal pattern here that I spoke about in my video, and I was already expecting that this would break out bearish. It finally happened, and my first target got met. And honestly, this move, like I said in my other videos, all right here, this downside momentum feels like manipulation to me. Despite it being healthy for Solana, it feels like manipulation to me because of Binance, because Binance sold a shit ton of Ethereum. So the market started to react quite bearish, and everything started to collapse, including Solana. But however, it kind of makes sense as well. Now, do I think Solana can head lower? Yes, we could still fall lower here. Because also, if we look at Solana versus Bitcoin, we can see that we actually just kept on consolidating for the whole time being, and finally broke down below that consolidation zone. So we have some room to fall lower. We have a first support zone around here. However, I do think that support zone might get broken quite fast if Bitcoin decides to head lower towards the $80,000 to $78,000. And then this Satoshi level for Solana does seem attractive, which in my opinion then aligns with Solana roughly being around $85 to $90 again. Now, like I said, there's some good news for Solana as well. If we look here, just in, this is from today. First Solana Sol ETF listed on the DTCC. So again, it is basically a fact that Solana ETFs are coming. And then a little bit after that, I saw a tweet like this. What the fuck? Did they collapse Sol price so they can buy cheap via ETF next week? My response to that was, you think, because it's obviously very clear that this is orchestrated and manipulated. If you put 1 and 1 together, you get 2. The same with this whole bearish momentum right now. If you put 1 and 1 together, you get the same outcome. So they are just manipulating price just to make sure that they get cheaper entries, because why the fuck would they buy Solana at $250? Or, in matter of fact, why would they buy Solana at $200 in general, while they could crash price back towards the low $100 levels, or even below the $100 levels? Then they will definitely accumulate, and then price will start to reverse so they can profit. That's their plan. They are not fucking dumb. You cannot forget. It is a game. It's a big club, and we are not in it, but we can profit from it as well. So overall, this is quite good news for Solana. I'm quite bullish on Solana in general. This is one of my first targets that I have for Solana, around $600-ish. And my second target would then be close to $1,000. Will we reach $1,000? I don't know, but it is definitely possible. I do not close it out, but we will see. First things first, I do think that buying the Solana dip right now is a quite smart thing, despite having a possibility of still falling lower towards this level. It is, in my opinion, a good buy, as ETFs are now basically coming. We can say that they are coming. It's just a matter of time now till they get listed. And Solana is also down around a 50% from its all-time high. If we fall down towards here, it's a 68 to 60, round off 70% downside momentum, which in my opinion is a great discount for Solana to buy and then to profit on eventually. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.